Hey, have you ever searched for your favorite pen in a messy drawer, checking each item one by one? It's tiring, right? Well, that's exactly what linear search is like. It's the simplest way to search, but sometimes, it can take a while. In this video, I'll show you how linear search works, step by step, so let's dive in. Welcome to Algorithmic Mindset. Linear search is one of the simplest searching techniques. You check each element of the array one by one until you find the target or reach the end of the array. It's like checking your pockets for your keys when you're already late, not efficient, but it works. Here's an array. Let's say we want to find the number 10. We start at the first element, which is 5. Is this 10? No. Next, we check 8, not this one either. Still no. Finally, we reach 10. First, let us solve linear search using C. We start by defining the array that contains the numbers we want to search through. We also define the target, which is the number we are looking for in the array. Next, we calculate the size of the array using the expression sizeof, ARR/sizeof, ARR, 0. This gives us the number of elements in the array. Now, we use a for loop to go through the array. The loop runs from I equals 0 to I less than n, where n is the size of the array. Inside the loop, we compare each element of the array with the target using the condition if ARR of I equals target. If the element matches the target, we simply print the index and exit the loop with the break statement. Alright. Now that we've written our linear search code in C, let us compile it in the online compiler and see if it works as expected. The output shows the index of 10 as 3, which is correct. Great! The linear search has worked as expected. While linear search is simple and easy to implement, its time complexity is O(n). This means the time it takes to complete the search grows linearly with the size of the array. If there are a lot of elements, linear search can take a long time compared to more advanced searching methods. Think of linear search like searching for your favorite book on a messy shelf. You check each book one by one until you find it. The more books there are, the longer it takes. That's why linear search works fine for small arrays but isn't ideal for larger ones. In the next video, we'll explore binary search, which is much faster than linear search but has some special requirements. If you have any doubts about linear search or want to suggest topics for future videos, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more DSA tutorials.
Lights are flashing all around.